Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to change the refresh rate on your Mac. If you're a gamer, video editor, or just want a smoother experience, adjusting the refresh rate can make a big difference. Let's get started. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings, or System Preferences, if you're on an older Mac OS. Then scroll down and click on Displays. If you're using a MacBook with a high refresh rate display, or an external monitor that supports different refresh rates, you'll see the option to adjust it here. Select the display you want to change. Now look for the Refresh Rate drop-down menu. Click it, and you'll see available options like 60 Hz, 120 Hz, or even higher if your display supports it. Simply select the refresh rate that works best for you. For most users, 60 Hz is fine, but if you have a ProMotion display, switching to 120 Hertz can make animations and scrolling feel much smoother. If you're using an external display, make sure your Mac is connected via a high-quality cable that supports higher refresh rates. Some HDMI and USB-C cables may limit your options, so check your display specifications if needed. And that's it. Now you know how to change the refresh rate on your Mac for a smoother and more responsive experience. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Mac tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.